Hey everybody, welcome back to Lala's Lounge. Today I'm going to be using this plant here. It is a cactus plant. I'm not sure if any of you guys have ever used a cactus or have any experience with them. They're actually really good. I tasted them for the first time at a Mexican restaurant and I was surprised that I actually liked it. But today we're not cooking it. We're going to be using it in our hair. So right here you see me just slicing off the little prickly parts of the cactus because we don't want that to go into our hair or injure ourselves. Because when I was picking these up at the grocery store, honey, I was getting stuck and I was like, there's got to be a better way to find cactus without the pricklies on them already. But whatever, we're gonna have to do what we got to do. So what you're gonna do is I think I bought two cactus plants and or cactus leaves, and I just trimmed off the ends and the edges, and then I sliced off the outer parts of the cactus so I can just get to the juicy inside. And so cactus is really good for your hair because it helps soften your hair because it is extremely moisturizing. It kind of has the same texture of the aloe vera plant. So it actually has a layer of protection that makes your hair soft and helps your hair with shine. It keeps your hair from falling out because it has good fatty acids in it to help with your hair growth and maintenance of your hair. It's also good for your scalp. So if you have dry scalp or patchiness, itchiness, it definitely helps with that because it does have vitamin E oil, vitamin E as well in it. And it, with having a healthy scalp, it's going to help your hair to grow. So it's going to make sure that your hair is healthy from the root to the tips. It also has amino acids in it, so it helps stimulate collagen and promote a faster cell turnover rate. And so your hair will be protected from the sun because of these ingredients, because of this powerful plant as well. It helps to treat heat damage. So if you have heat damage, it would definitely help with that, with restoring, hydration to your hair. And plus, it's 100% natural, so how could we go wrong with that, okay? So it's definitely good for people who have chemicals in their hair and are trying to get it back in a healthy state. So if you're already natural, your hair may be already pretty much healthy, but if it's not and you're trying to get it healthy, this is one natural plant that you can use. Plus, it's extremely cheap. I mean, this is a couple bucks at a Latin grocery store, and so you don't need to spend a lot of money to moisturize your hair. So this is something you can use as a pre-poo. You can use it as a conditioner, however you want. You can mix it in with your conditioner. You can use it as a co-wash, or you can even mix it as a hair mask with other ingredients and make yourself a mask. So this is multi-purpose, and it's cheap and easy to do. Now, the prep for this did take me a little minute because this is my first time ever using this plant. And so it took me a little while to kind of get in the groove of getting all the little prickly parts off. But after I got the groove going and I got my technique down, it was so much easier. So we're going to mix this up. After I cut the prickly parts off, I'm going to go ahead and get into the inside and put it in my blender. So I did go back and use my cheese cloth to strain it a little bit more so I wouldn't have little bits of cactus in my hair. So here is the mixture, and you're going to see me applying it to the back of my hair, focusing on my scalp first and rubbing it in, and then spraying it down the rest of my hair and massaging it. So since this is my first time doing this, I probably would more so do this while I'm in the shower because it is very watery. So be careful as you're applying it so that you know that you're not wasting any of the goodness. So here I'm just rubbing it throughout my hair, and I'm going to put it in a little twist to keep it out of the way. So this made my hair feel super soft when I rinsed it out. And so I feel like with the continued use, I will start to see improvement in my hair So hopefully you guys can test this out and try it. If you like aloe vera or flaxseed, it kind of gives that same effect. So test it out and you let me know what you all think in the comment section below. So I'm going to go ahead and just do my normal routine and style my hair like I would normally would do. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Like, subscribe, share, all the good stuff. Typically say, what's up? Peace.